My name is Nkatha Kabira. I am a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Law at the University of Nairobi. I am also an Isolomso Fellow at the Stellenbosch Institute for Advanced Studies here in South Africa. At STIAS, my project focuses on the law of commissions. I am interested in studying the many commissions that have been established by various governments all over Africa to deal with matters of public importance. Matters such as state capture, corruption, women's rights, education, water rights, security exchange, amongst many other issues. I'm very excited about the upcoming public lecture. The public lecture is titled "The Future of Law and Governance in Africa." In this public lecture, we will discuss how commissions have become key technologies of rule and governance in Africa. They've become technologies in an effort to regulate the diverse tensions and unanswered governance questions that exist in various African social political contexts. We will take up the body of law that has been produced by commissions with a view to seeing what is the role of commissions. What is the role that commissions are playing in Africa? What is their place in governance? We will also critically interrogate the various modes of law, legal and social and political thought that are being produced by the commissions in Africa. We will use specific examples to demonstrate how commissions are breaking down the boundaries of law, illuminating law's rigidity, and challenging conventional narratives about what law is and what it constitutes in Africa. The future of law in Africa lies in unpacking, in unraveling, and in understanding the law of commissions. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there, looking forward to having a fruitful conversation.